Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how you can conduct the two-way ANOVA. Two-way ANOVA is advantageous for researchers because it reduces the type 1 error. So when you run the many analysis and that is significant, and then that increase the type 1 error. So when you conduct a two-way ANOVA with the two independent variables, how that affects the dependent variable, that is a simultaneous test of the two analysis of ANOVA. So that is the advantage to reduce the type 1 error. That is a two-way ANOVA. So there are three sources in the two-way ANOVA. So the one independent variable, how it affects the dependent variable. And the second independent variable, how it affects the dependent variable. And also the third resources is interaction between the two independent variables together. So that means that we don't have to have a confusion which one influences the dependent variable only. So we will have the three resources. So it's very beneficial for researchers. So here you can see in this data, you have the gender, that is in fact the only two groups, and the men and women, and then administration, and then other technology, finance, claims, sales. There are five departments. So we have five groups here. So we want to know how gender and department affects the, this one is a performance appraisal score of the department. So how you can conduct this two-way ANOVA? First, you go to analyze and general linear model, univariate, and our dependent variable will be the performance. And the fixed factor will be gender and the department. So this one, when you click the model, that is type 3, that means that when the numbers of participants are not same, you can use the type 3. That is the best way to choose. So continue. And then you have the plots. So you put the gender and the department, and then you can add, and also the department and the gender, and then you can add. So you can have two plots according to the different independent variables. So it's more information you can get. Okay, and then post hoc, we have only one option of department because gender is only two groups. So you can check the LSD. So continue. And then we don't need the marginal, estimated marginal means. We don't calculate in this test. So, but you can do that. That is depending on the researcher. Some researchers, they obtain the estimate the marginal means. So that is a bit different from the descriptive statistics, the means of descriptive statistics. But in this test, we will not do this. So save, and you have the here the predicted values, but you don't have to do that because the our goal is about how you can interpret the two-way ANOVA today. So we continue, and the options, you have the descriptive, estimated effect size, homogeneity test. So you will click the three things, continue, and then OK. So in the output, that is generated about many tables. So first, you can go to, you can see here the men are 39 and the women are 56. So that's why the model type 3 was adequate for the test, because they are not the same participants. Number of the participants are not the same. So descriptive statistics, you can see that men and then women, that is categorized by the gender, and also that is categorized by the department. So here, men total, that is the average of the scores of the men across the department. And the women, that is the mean score of the across the departments. And then here, according to the department, you have the different means. So according to the department, claims are the best score, and then the what is lowest is the sales. And then you can compare also the men has a 37 and the women has a 30. So men are more scores than women. So you can check the mean scores according to the gender and according to the department. And the Levin's test here, they showed that based on mean, it's significant. So this means that Levin's test for your the two independent variable is the men and women, and then also you have the about the department. There are five, so that means the significant means that the homogeneity of a variance was not assumed. So we have to think about that. So this is important because when you report about the men and women with the quotient, you will report that because the homogeneity was not assumed. So the result will not be like 100%. You can be confident. And also, when you check your post hoc, the significance level of Leibniz test it's a significant means that the homogeneity was not assumed. So you have to verify with another option in the net C, not LSD. And then in this table, best between subject effect, you have the all research. So you can see the in the gender, that is significant, and the department is significant, and then gender department interaction is significant. So in fact, according to the gender, according to the department, there are significant differences of the appraisal scores, and also the interaction between gender and department also. So we can report the three main effects of the gender department interaction here. And in the post hoc, only the department was shown because post hoc is only for the more than three groups. So here you can see the significance level, sales administration, that is the significant, and the technology and the finance, yes, and also technology claims also, yes, that is significant. And the finance technology, we already saw from the technology finance, so you don't have to repeat about that. And then also the sales and the finance also is significant. And then you can see the claims. They have technology and then sales and the claims. And when you see the sales that have the three asterisk, so administration, finance, and claims. So what is important when you report the result? Don't repeat the already what you said. So for instance, in the sales, you said that already sales, administration, finance, and claims were significant difference between. So when you report this, you don't have to say again administration and sales because you already reported it. So be careful of the selecting only what is pertinent because you don't have to be redundant to say the all this again and again. So be careful about that. And then here in the plot, according to men and women, in fact, what is the big difference is that that man has the claims and has a very high score, and the women has a low score. And then also the finance, men has a very high score, and then women a low score. So the other departments, the men between men and women, they don't have a significant difference, but only the finance and claims that shows the big difference. And here, according to the department, only the man has the big difference because you can see the women, they have almost the same zone. So across the department, the women has the same, almost the same appraisal score, but the men has a significant differences between the technology and sales are very low. But you can see the finance and claims, men shows the significantly different scores. So we have to think about the why only men is like that and the women are not significant. So this is about the part one about the 2A ANOVA, and in the part two I will explain how you can have the more details from this result. Thank you.